Is your Kia Optima's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches or a malfunctioning key fob. First, inspect the door and hood switches. These are usually magnetic reed switches. A simple test: when closed, they should read 0 ohms on a multimeter. When open, infinity. Corrosion or damage can cause false signals. Next, check your key fob's battery. A weak battery can lead to erratic behavior. Replace it; they typically last 3 to 5 years. If issues persist, the fob itself might be damaged. If you've got a newer Optima with Kia Connect, you can try controlling the alarm through the app to bypass fob issues altogether. These steps address over 60% of alarm issues. Remember, moisture and humidity in the door hood switches can be a factor in alarm problems. If possible, use dielectric grease to ensure a watertight seal. If door switches and the key fob aren't causing the alarm issues, the problem could be sensitivity settings within the Optima's body control module. The BCM might be set too high, triggering false alarms from minor movements or vibrations. For modern Optima models from 2016 onward, sensitivity can be adjusted using dealership diagnostic tools, such as Kia's Global Diagnostic System. These tools connect to the vehicle's systems to recalibrate the BCM settings. For Optima models from 2018 and later, over-the-air software updates can adjust BCM sensitivity without visiting a dealership. These updates are delivered through the vehicle's infotainment system. In older models, or when issues persist despite adjustments, the body control module itself might be failing. This is particularly common in Optima models from 2011 to 2020. BCM repairs typically require dealership diagnostics and can be costly, often exceeding $500. In some rare cases, worn or damaged wiring harnesses within the vehicle can cause false alarm activations. These harnesses connect various sensors and modules, and degradation can lead to electrical faults. To diagnose deeper issues, use an OBD2 reader to scan for error codes. BCM-related faults often show as B1000 series codes, providing insight into which modules are failing and guiding repairs. If alarm problems continue despite these steps, a Kia dealership is best equipped to solve the issue. Their certified technicians can perform thorough diagnostics and repairs on BCM modules and other advanced systems.